Hi guys, in today's video we're taking a look at how to use this Stanwood yarn ball winder. So the first thing I did is I securely attached it to the table using the clamp that's below, and next I'm going to attach the arm in which the yarn is fed through. So right down here you can see a hook, and then right here there's a post. What you're going to do is you're going to wrap the hook around that post, just with the arm facing right out in front of the ball winder, and then using the butterfly screw you're just going to tighten that into place. So that looks good. This little rubber piece is going to stop the arm from jumping up and down too much while we're winding. And now we're going to take the tail end of the yarn and we are just going to feed it through the top of this arm here, just like so. I'm trying not to get my arm in the way of the shot. Okay, so we've got that through, and then now we're just going to come up through this piece here. And then at the top of this there are two slots where you just want to set the yarn firmly into, and that's going to help hold it in place. You just want enough of a tail for it to be wrapped around. You don't want it to be too long. Okay, so now that everything is in the correct place, we're going to start rotating the handle. I always turn mine clockwise. Now this skein of yarn, it says, is 3.5 ounces, and this yarn winder can handle up to 10 ounces. So that's quite a bit of yarn. And that makes it perfect for bulkier yarns, as well as some like this, where it's just going to make a nice pretty little cake. I prefer to cake my yarns before working, because that way if there is a break in the yarn or a knot inside, you catch that before you start work on your project. It's much easier to fix that right now than it is to be working through your rows and then having to do that while you're in the middle of your project. So at this point I'm going to sort of slow down because I felt a little bit of tension there. Now I'm just going to remove the yarn label. Looks good still, so I'm going to keep going. Anytime it jumps out at you, you just want to adjust the tension. That's normal, especially as you approach the end here. Sometimes it's best to let gravity help you out. Just holding it like so is allowing the last bit of the yarn to sort of flow freely from the skein. Wanted to knot at the end, so I'm just going to take that out before we finish up here. And perfect. So now with this tail end, what you want to do is you want to just tuck that in. Get it nice and tight and just tuck it under some of the other yarn here. And then go ahead and lift your cake off. And you can see the tail right here and a nice clean cake to either store or to get started on your project with. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.